Hello guys, this is the tutorial of how to programming in Node for Dummies. In this tutorial we are going to see how to program here in Nodes and in JavaScript in basic things, and little by little we are going to make more difficult things. But first we are going to start with the debug node, inject node, and with some function nodes. Okay. As we see here, inject node says injects a message into a flow either manually or at regular intervals. The message payload can be a variety of types, including strings, JavaScript objects, or the current time. And let's see how it works. In this node, for example, if we click on it, we are going to see that screen. So here we can type, for example, a string, and we are going to type here hello dummies, for example, and we are going to click on done, and now we are going to insert a function. Okay, here we have the function, and we connect the nodes, and now here we can type our function. Maybe you are not understanding what we are going to type here, but little by little in this tutorial you will realize the things we are programming here. Okay, we are going to type here bar, for example, MSG, okay, MSG, and now equal, sorry, here the keyboard, payload point, MSG point payload to a string. Okay, we are going to convert that into a string, that input data. Here we put that, and we have to put the name to a string. It's the name of our function. So aquí we can put new MSG, but better. New MSG. Now we save the function, and now we are going to add the debug. Okay. Actually, I am using here Fred, that is a cloud for hosted Node. But if you are programming in your Raspberry Pi, it's gonna be the same. The program is the same, so don't worry about it. If you're in your Raspberry Pi, the programming thing is the same. Okay. We see here, we are going to deploy it. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, now we are going to inject that, and as we see here we have the debug in this page. Okay, we inject again, inject again, inject again, and in this part the program is going to save according the time all the injects you are doing. Here we can change, for example, to a number. I don't know, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Make it done, and we deploy. Now again, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, you can do more things here, for example, in an interval between times, at the specific times, interval in 1 second, for example. Okay, let's check it. Okay, the number first. Okay, deploy. Wait a minute, and now it is going to inject every second. For example, we change here to in further tutorials we are going to see how to inject flows, global, booleans, JSON, buffers, but for the moment it's just enough with string and with numbers. Okay, we can change here. Hello, dummies. Take it down. And as you see here, it's the same as the numbers. It debugs that. Okay, but now we know that our function is working. We are going to make it in an interface. We're going to put that in a graphical interface. Okay, in a graphic interface. So now we are going to introduce the dashboard, and we are going to put in the dashboard a text. Now we join those two nodes, and we're going here to dashboard. Now we have to add that node to a group. Okay, so we are going to create a group as we see here. Okay, but here we can put no red for dummies dashboard. Okay, now it's okay. Name hi. Oh, first tutorial update needs done. Okay, now we deploy it. Okay, it has been deployed. Now we inject. Okay, and now we are going to change here every interval. Okay, every interval. Now we are going to the dashboard. It is gonna be the same actually on your Raspberry Pi, but here I am working on a server, so if you pay something to this server, you can share this dashboard with another clients or with another friends, but if you don't pay, you are only going to have this graphic interface for you. So okay, we're going to inject hello dummies, for example. It's working every second. Here going to put for working none and hello, so you can see the difference. Hello 2, we deploy. Okay, we are going to inject hello, successfully injected. Here you can see also hello 3. Deploy hello 3, hello 3. You can see here the change. So guys, this is all for the first tutorial. In the next tutorial we are going to see more things, and we are going to explain more about the functions, more about the injecting nodes. You can change also this node for a serial ink that is going to be your sensor information, for example. And goodbye guys, this is the first tutorial. I hope you like it and subscribe to the channel and motivate me to making more videos. Bye.